Welcome. In front of me is a V-Mobile S39, and today I will show you how to boot the device into boot mode. So to start off, you want to hold the power key and then select power off, like so, and wait for the device to shut off, which will be indicated by the vibration. Okay, so there was the vibration, and now you want to hold power key and volume up simultaneously. And we should see boot mode right after. There it is. So in this mode you can boot into recovery mode, to fastboot mode, or back into the normal Android. And to select each option out of the three, you want to use volume up only, like so, and confirm whatever you selected with volume down. So I'm just gonna boot back into the Android. So once it's selected with the arrow, what you need to do is press volume down, and you'll see the device boot back up into the normal Android. And there it is. So that is how you enter and also exit the boot mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.